this is Tim. Welcome to Tim Can Cook. So today we're going to be cooking barbecued Cornish game hens. Now they're really barbecued. This means in the smoker, not on the grill. And we're going to spatchcock this little guy just because it gives a shorter cooking time and kind of an easier presentation. So first things first, we'll take a pair of shears and we'll cut this thing right down the back. Now once we open it up, we just want to kind of pop this cartilage right here, and that will allow the bird to lay all the way open. Spatchcocking, very fast, very simple. Just got to take off this extra little chunk of fat here. So the spatchcock bird, I mean, you could cut the rest of his backbone out, but we're not going to do that. No need. And we're just going to pat this dry. And then we're going to get our seasoning on it. All right, we've dried this off a little bit and we'll get on to the next step. Now in order for our rub to stick, we're going to use some mustard. Now the mustard doesn't really add flavor. It just allows for our rub to get a good grip on the chicken, or in this case, the game hen. So we'll get this mustard in here, and then we'll get our dry rub on it. I'm using a sweet rub for pork here, just because I love the flavor of this rub. There's lots of things you could put on here. You could use lemon pepper. You could use garlic. I really like that rub. So now we're actually going to transfer this onto a rack over the top of a pan, dripping pan, before it goes in the smoker. I don't know why I started doing this. Not sure who recommended it to me, but I really like it. It makes it easier to clean, preserves the juices in case I want to do anything with those, and it's really just nicer to be able to move the bird around like this. So now we'll head out to the smoker where we'll get this thing started. So we'll see you out there. Okay, our bird is going into a 225 degree oven smoker where it will smoke for an hour, and then we'll come back out and give it a check and take to the next step. So we'll see you back here in an hour. So the game hen has been in the smoker for an hour, and I brought it back in the kitchen because it's dark outside. So now that we've been out for an hour, we're going to go ahead and get some barbecue sauce on this guy. Internal temperature is now about 130 degrees. We want to get it obviously up to about 165, and then we'll let it rest. Now, this is our homemade barbecue sauce. The video is up there. It's a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tangy, and it's not quite a North Carolina sauce, but it's close. And I really like it. So that's what we're using. I put it in the squeeze bottle just because it's very easy. I don't put the brush in a bowl and contaminate the bowl. So this is going to now go back out into the smoker. I'll put the internal temperature probe in and we'll take it up to 160, 165 degrees. And then we'll have some nice Cornish game hen for dinner. It's dark outside, so I can't take you back out for this, but we'll see you back in here in probably another 30, 35 minutes. So the Cornish game hen has reached 160 degrees internally. It will now rest for about 15 minutes. It'll continue to cook. It'll go up to at least 165. And then I will enjoy a nice Cornish game hen dinner. This spatchcock and smoking technique can be used for a roasting chicken, a duck, even a turkey. So, don't hesitate to try spatchcock and smoke your favorite little bird. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, share with a friend, help me grow my channel, and I'll see you again next time on Tim Can Cook.